In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the BCC feature in Gmail to safeguard the privacy of your email recipients. Whether you're managing a newsletter or simply want to ensure your recipients' email addresses remain confidential, BCC, which stands for Blind Carbon Copy, is an excellent tool. Let's dive into the process of how you can implement this feature in your Gmail account. First, you'll want to start by opening Gmail and clicking on the Compose button to create a new email. This button is usually found on the left-hand side of your screen, prominently displayed and easy to access. Once you click it, a new message window will pop up. This is where the magic happens. In the new message window, you'll see fields labeled To and Subject. You'll also see a smaller CC and BCC option in the top right corner of the To field. Click on BCC to open a new entry field right below it. It's important to note that any email addresses you input in this particular field will remain hidden from other recipients. That means each person you include in the BCC field won't see who else received the email, thereby ensuring everyone's privacy. As you start to add email addresses in the BCC field, remember that the To field can either be left blank or you can include your own email address. This helps Gmail accept the message and ensures it doesn't end up in the recipient's spam folder, as sometimes happens with messages without an address in the To field. When it comes to composing your email's content, it's business as usual from here. Write your message as you normally would, whether it's a formal announcement or a friendly update, and be sure to input a relevant subject line to give your correspondence context and clarity. Before you hit that send button, take a moment to review your list of BCC recipients and the content of your email. It's always a good idea to double-check that you've included everyone you intended to and that the message is error-free. Once you're satisfied, click Send, and your email will be distributed with each recipient's details remaining confidential. Using BCC in Gmail is an essential skill for anyone looking to maintain professional etiquette and privacy in electronic communications. It's simple, effective, and respectful of your recipient's information. Always utilize BCC when sending out emails to multiple recipients to ensure that you protect their privacy. There you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've mastered the art of using BCC in Gmail. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful tutorials. Thanks for joining me, and happy emailing.